leased a colliery from a Shankar at a royalty of rupees 1.5 per ton of coal raised with a minimum rent of 10,000. Every year we have to pay 10,000. 10,000 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಡೈಲಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರು. Each year's excess of minimum rent over actual royalties is recoverable out of next royalties of next 5 years. If I paid my amount, that should be recovered next 5 years. So first year, next 5 years, second year, next 5 years, like that recoupment. In the event of strike, that they're telling, whatever you are getting royalty, that should be discharged as minimum rent. Discharge all the royalties obligations for that year. So that year, whatever you are getting royalties, that should be discharged as minimum rent. So we have 2008, how much we are getting royalty now, and that year we have to transfer whole amount as minimum rent, because production is not possible for full year. That is the reason whatever we are getting in strike year, royalty amount treated as minimum rent. So strike year ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ royalty analysis table. We have year first 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Production first year nil, we are not getting any amount. 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 8,000, 4,000. Strike year 4,000. Production last year 10,000. Royalty at rupees 1.5. So we have to multiply. In first year don't multiply because there is no production. First yearly royalty amount ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ 3,000 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 1.5 ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 4,500. ಸೇಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ 10,000 ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ 4,000 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Strike year we are getting output of 4,000. So if we calculate royalty, that shows 6,000. Same amount will treated as minimum rent, discharged as minimum rent. So next is same again. First year I have to pay full amount from my own pocket. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಸೊ ನಾನು ಓನ್ ಪಾಕೆಟಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 10,000 ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ರಿಕವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆರ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಇಯರ್. 10,000 ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಇಯರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಲೇಟರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಪೇಡ್ 5,500 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 4,500. 4,500 ನನ್ನ ಅಮೌಂಟು 5,500. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಐ ಪೇಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ 10,000. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 6,000. ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ 4,000 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 10,000. ಸೊ 6,000 ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ, 4,000 my pocket, total 10,000 I paid to landlord. Same in fourth year also, from royalty I am getting 9,000 again in my pocket, 1,000 total I paid to 10,000. So in 2007, 12,000, that is excess over minimum rent. So 2007 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, 2,000 ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ 10,000, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2,000 ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 12,000ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2,000 ನಾನು ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಪೇಡ್ ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ 8,000 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಪೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 10,000. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2,000. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ರಿಕವರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ royalty that should be treated as minimum rent. So out of 10,000 I recovered only 2,000, remaining 8,000 not recovered. This is the final year, that means 6th year to recover my amount what I paid in first year. So first year 10,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2,000 ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th is the last year. ಸೊ 8,000 ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. So remaining same 6,000 I paid. Again in second year 5,500. But in last year we have excess amount of 15,000. So out of 5,500 I recovered only 5,000. Remaining not possible because this is the last year. For second year this is the last year. So 500 is loss. Again I paid to 10,000. Out of 15,000 I am taking out 5,000. Remaining I paid to landlord only 10,000. So this 4,000 we have still one more year but that information is not there, so we are not writing any short working not recovered. So we are not writing any loss because I have one more year for this. This also I have in future years. So these two we are not passing any amount because we have years in future. So that's why these two things are not passing any year. 4,000 also, 1,000 also. To recover 4,000, still we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more year is there. So that records is not there. So again, for 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still 2 years are there. So that's why I am not recovering any amount. Now they are asking minimum rent account. Minimum rent account for first, second, third, fourth. So minimum rent account, first account say by royalty I am not getting anything in first year as usual. First year I am getting nil only. So by royalty nil, my pocket 10,000 total, 10,000 I paid to landlord. I am transferring this only, this to minimum rent account. In second year I paid only royalty amount of 4,500. 4,500 short working account, my amount 5,500, total 10,000, that also to landlord. Again same, in third year royalty amount 6,000, 6,000 royalty amount, my amount 4,000, 4,000, so total 10,000 I paid to landlord. Again in fifth year, so fourth year we have 9,000, shortage of 1,000, so again same, 9,000, shortage of 1,000 I paid to landlord. This is minimum rent account only for first 4 years because I paid my amount in first 4 years, first year, second year, third year, 4 year, so 4 years transaction. So profit and loss account, to prepare profit and loss account we need actual royalty. These are actual royalty. In first year I am not getting anything, simply I am writing nil amount. Second year 4,500, all I am writing as it is. So this column I am writing. So royalty column, this is royalty column, so I wrote as it is. On that here I should write first 4 years to minimum rent because we are transferring to minimum rent. So first 4 years, same amount. How much is there? No, same amount we are transferring first 4 years. So next year we have excess amount that I am recovering. So I am recovering. So 2,000 I am recovering. So that is 2,000. See here is recovering, no? So 2,000 I recovered. Remaining I paid to landlord only. Again this is transferred to landlord only. So 6,000 I am getting, that is to pay paid to landlord. Here same thing. Out of 12,000 I recovered 2,000. Remaining I paid to landlord. Here also in last year 5,000 I recovered. 5,000 I recovered. So 5,000 I recovered. Out of 15,000 I recovered 5,000. Remaining I paid to landlord account. So this is the landlord account. Now royalty account, now landlord account. Landlord account last column you have to write, that is this amount. So what you paid, all this amount. So this is the last column amount. I am writing debit side to bank 10,000, to bank 10,000. So whatever I paid last column, that I wrote here only. Next, that first 4 years I should transfer to minimum rent account. So I am transferring minimum rent first 4 years. First year same, second year, third year, fourth year. After that don't write because I am not paying any amount. In after 4 years I am paying from royalty only. So what I paid 10,000, that is purely from royalty. What I paid 6,000, that is purely from royalty. So what I paid 10,000, that is also from royalty. This is easy to prepare landlord account. So here to bank, here first 4 years by minimum rent, next from royalty only. So short working account. So short working account concept I am telling. What I paid, what I recovered, what I not possible to recover. What I paid, what I recovered, what not possible to recover. So that I am transferring. First 4 years I should write minimum rent only. First year also I paid 10,000, that should be balance carried out to balance brought down. Second year also I paid 5,500, that also totally I paid up to second year 5,000, that should be balance. In third year also I paid something amount of 4,000, so balance brought down plus 4,000, so 19,500 minimum rent. total 19,500. In fourth year also, next year also I paid 1,000. So totally I paid 20,500 up to 4 years. So that I wrote. Again in 4 years, fifth year, I am not paying any amount. So to balance brought down as it is. But I am recovering 2,000. Excess amount of royalty I am recovering. So that is 2,000. Again 20,500 minus 2,000. I'll get balance of 18,500. So that should be carried down, brought down here. So next year something amount is not recovered for me. So that I am writing to profit loss account. It's a loss of 8,000. So 18,500 this total I should write here only. 18,500. If I subtract 8,000, I'll get balancing figure of 10,500. That is balancing figure. So again that should be brought down 10,500. Again in last year something I am recovering by royalty 5,000. So by profit and loss account I will not recover something amount of 500. Again out of 10,500, if I subtract these two things, I'll get balancing figure of 5,000. That should be to balance brought down. So next year that is there. So see, this is this only to prepare short work account. This much is enough. This much up to here. So this first 4 years I paid, I am writing as to minimum rent. So this is recovered by royalty. This is by profit and loss account, by profit and loss account, by royalty. So this much to prepare short working account.